These days, one wrong click can cost you more than just your time. Whether you're shopping online, downloading software, or just browsing, knowing how to spot a fake website can save you from scams, stolen data, or worse. In today's video, I'll show you a simple but powerful ways to check if a website is legit or a threat in disguise. Make sure you stay smart, safe, and one step ahead when you're browsing online. Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Steph, and in this channel, I teach you quick daily tech tips that make your life a little easier. First, check if the site is secure. Click on the icon beside your web address and make sure it says connection is secure here. You can click on it to read more information about the website connection security or even see the certificate that was issued to this website. Next, you can use a service by Google called Safe Browsing Site Status. You can Google for the site by typing Transparency Google Check, then clicking on the Safe Browsing Site Status. Ironically, do make sure that this site is legit too, and it should say transparencyreport.google.com. Here you can check the site status of the website that you are visiting by typing in the URL here and letting Google do its test report. So I'll just go ahead to key in my own website and it says no unsafe content found. Well, that's good. The last option is to visit the site trustpilot.com, where you can discover, write, and read reviews from real users all over the world on the website that you are visiting. So for example, if you are buying some branded goods from a website, well, the website may pass the first two tests, i.e. it's a legit operating website. But using Trustpilot, you can see reviews from other buyers who have visited and purchased from the site, whether or not the products they are selling are authentic. Internet scams are so rampant nowadays, and people are losing millions and millions of dollars every day to scammers. So do your due diligence by testing the above 3 scenarios to make sure you don't lose your hard-earned money just because you were careless or lazy. There you go. If you found today's video useful, do give a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful videos like this. Until the next video, I'm Steph. Take care and bye-bye.